not in Orlando, Florida. Oh, look at the little puppy. Oh, come out so we can hold you and feed you milk. Here we got the two-toe sloth, and look at him all slumped in his basket. And get a load of this big old tree.
It's really cool. Look,
No, I'm talking about you. But yeah, look at that tree too. It's pretty cool. SeaWorld, a park with a porpoise. Yeah, we're gonna get to see a whale show.
I got a pretzel and cheese. It's really good.
Yeah, Haley's here having a whale of a time.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself.
Emmy, are you excited to see the whales? Yeah, that's all you gotta say? Haley, I have a joke for you. So two whales walk into a bar. The one whale says to the other whale, "Ugh," and the other whale says, I was telling a joke.
There's nothing like seeing a killer whale up close and learning about them and their natural behaviors. We hope this work encounter will help give you a better understanding of these amazing animals and all that they represent.
Always look back in. Haley, can you do that?
Yeah.
Oh. Got him. What are you doing? That child is riding a dolphin. Here we got all the flamingos all congregated together. And a duck. Haley, can you do your best flamingo pose right now? What? Show me. Come on. Flamingo. It's better than Haley's. Oh, look at this big boy. Whoa. Oh, look at that smile.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Turtle reef. Look at all these penguins. That's nice. And last but not least, we're gonna take on the electric eel. Oh, hi. There they go. See, this is gonna be chill. Yeah. We're so excited. Oh. And thus, we conclude our night at SeaWorld. What do you have to say about it, Haley? Whoa.
It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it.
Suckerfish.
I had it move. They tickled.